welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create my high ponytail. I get asked this all the time and I was like, why not just show you? There's a couple things you're gonna need, and the main thing is a clip-on ponytail. The one I'm wearing right now is from Zala Hair Extensions, and this video isn't sponsored by them. I actually worked with them like over a year ago, but I still have the ponytail. I really love it. This is like the best ponytail ever. I had actually ordered this ponytail from, I think it's a Lullabelle something, but you guys, I hate this thing. It's shedding so much. This is a synthetic one and it was very inexpensive, but I'd seen, you know, a lot of it on Instagram. It looked really good on, you know, the girls that were posted on their Instagram, and so I was like, why not purchase this? Because I want to do this video, but I really wanted to use like a ponytail that wasn't expensive, because this one is quite expensive. It is worth the money, but if you don't have much money to spend, then I could understand that you wouldn't order it. So I was really looking for one that was a lot less expensive and just like affordable for anyone. Yeah, I don't like it. Nothing about it is good. It doesn't look good on my hair. It doesn't clip in very nicely. The piece that you use like wrap around is way too short, and it just makes it look very unnatural, and it tangles like crazy. Like look at this, like, and then it sheds. I've pulled out so much hair already, so like nothing about this is good, and I don't recommend ordering it. I have no idea if I can even get a refund, because I got this in the mail like 2 or 3 days ago, and I've not been able to wear it because it just doesn't look good, and it sheds like crazy, and it's super tangled. Don't order this, because I put it on my story about 2 weeks ago or something, because I basically said, someone asked me like if I knew any affordable brands for like clip-on ponytails, and I mentioned this one before I'd ordered. I said like I haven't tried it out yet, but they seem to have some affordable, good-looking clip-on ponytails. Don't order. I'm gonna continue to look for any clip-on ponytails that are affordable and that actually create a look like this, because the one from Lullabelle's, whatever it's called, does not. But besides that, yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys see how I create this. It's super easy, super fast, and this is like my favorite hairstyle. So I always do my hair before I put on my makeup, because I'm working with gel and I don't like to get like my gel and makeup mixed up. So first thing we're gonna do is take down the hair. It's a little crazy. I'm just going to brush it into a high ponytail. Don't know if I can show you this, but I'm gonna put it over my head and brush it all into place. Putting it pretty high up, like kind of like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect yet, because I have to apply my gel still. So actually I'm kind of putting it into a bun. And then I'm taking my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel and this like soft flat brush. I'm just dipping it in. I'm using quite a bit. And just applying this onto my hair. And then I start brushing it back, flattening it with my hands. And then I take it to the back and do the same thing. Just got my hair cut, so the back of my head, like those hairs keep falling out, so I'm gonna have to pin that with bobby pins. This looks crazy right now, but we're gonna get there, okay? So just pretty much doing this all over. Take out this hair tie and take everything together again. I put it pretty tight because I just like it to be like super sleek. Needs to give you a facelift. And then when I'm satisfied, I put my hair tie around it. Again, making sure that's tight and secure. And then I go in with some bobby pins. Actually just got new ones because I literally ran out of all of mine. Like after like a certain time, like you just don't have any bobby pins left because they like break or you just like lose them. So I got some new ones. I'm just going to see if there's any spots that are bumpy that I want to like flatten down. And then in the back, since my hair got cut and it's a little shorter, to kind of make sure that everything's pinned in there. And I'm not scared of using bobby pins. I use a shit ton of bobby pins. If it makes my hair look better, then, you know, I'll use a bobby pin. Okay. So when I'm kind of satisfied with that, I'm going to take my clip-on ponytail. I'm going to straighten this one after it's in my hair, because I just blow dried it because I washed it today. I'm just gonna take this. Let's see. Pin it at the point that it feels comfortable, because sometimes I pin it kind of into my scalp and it hurts. Okay, There you go. And then twist it around. Okay, kind of see, probably not. And then twist this part around the ponytail. And then I take bobby pins. This is really hard to show, I'm sorry. I'm just securing that piece of hair in the back, and then I take bobby pin in the front right here. I'm kind of securing it. Ow, that hurts. And I'm going to just heat up my straightener so I can make the ponytail sleek. And while that is heating up, I'm just gonna do my baby hair. So kind of depending on what I'm doing, I'll use a different gel. If it's for every day, I just use my Eco Styler. But if it's for like going out, I usually use like Got To Be glue, like the clear one, because that just like makes your edges and baby hairs stay literally all night and it does not move. But just for like every day, I'm fine with Eco Styler. Kind of just completes everything. And especially if your hair is like growing out, whether you're natural or you're relaxed, but if your roots are like curly, you know, this kind of helps make it even more sleek. And this is also why I like to do this before my makeup, because if you do this with foundation on, it's gonna get mixed up in the foundation and I hate how that looks. Then I take my toothbrush and kind of help sleek down the hair a little bit more. And if I'm going on like a night out, I'll use some hairspray to really make it stick. Before everyday use, I don't do that because it's just harsh on your hair, you know. So now I'm just gonna mostly take like the ends of this hair. I'm just gonna straighten it out so it's a bit more sleek. Could have fantasized about nothing more. Okay. That is literally all you have to do. And it looks so sleek, so nice. Oh my god, this is like my favorite thing in the world. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I will write down everything that I used in this video in the description. But yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.